Hello, my friends. Now, I'm hoping you already saw the Stamp and Die Hard Club set for this month. If you did not, here it is. This is the Fun Firecrackers with the dies that match. My club members are getting this. My Stamp Club members are getting this. My Die Hard Club members are getting this. Okay, but when I'm designing, I'm sitting at my computer and I'm designing and I'm doing all this stuff, I usually get very, very excited and I keep going and I never stop. So I usually have to cut back quite a bit. But I have added a couple extra stamp sets and die sets to this collection. Are you ready? Get set. Here we go. I love this one. It says Fun 4th, and it is a heart stamp, but this thank you is a separate stamp. So you are going to be able to say a heart with 4th of July in the center, or a heart with Oh My Stars in the center, or a heart with these big words from the stamps from the club set inside. You're going to get to mix and match the words. Your heart will say whatever you want it to say. Now, of course, yes, there are dies that match. You know me, I'm always going to do that. And we get some extra firecrackers up there. We get some extra stars. Now you're saying, where those firecrackers come from? Well, rest assured, here we go. Ding, ding, ding. Another stamp set. So more words to go into your heart, which are so fun. So look at all those different words you have. Love, America, let freedom ring, America the beautiful, wishing you a red, white, and beautiful day, united we stand. Isn't that awesome? I love that. I love that. I love that. Perfect for our military cards too. Those of you that send cards to our military, hello, this is perfect for that. Now, those are some add-on items. Also an add-on item is a new piece it die. So we released a class that had one of the piece it dies in it. This is another one. Now this one is really fun because it has this pattern, but it also has insert dies so you can add other patterns to it. I have lots of samples. Stay tuned. Last but not least are our Firecracker Stencils. Now when I say Firecracker Stencils, let me show you. There are a ton. There are 3. But look at this. So from your club set, see those awesome looking fireworks right there? Firecrackers. I have all of these different patterns that you can decorate your firecrackers with. Look at all those fun patterns. Then we have more. We have some background patterns. Look how fun those are. And I can't wait to show you the samples. And because I needed it, look at all those awesome fireworks in the sky. I love them. Now, I can't wait for you to see the samples. Let's jump in. Oh, speaking of fireworks in the sky, look at that. There's that heart with the 4th of July stamped on the inside. There's our fun fireworks, firecrackers. Look how awesome that is. That's a 5x7 card. Now, here is United We Stand. You could also put the words up above if you want to. Look how cute that is. I love it. Here's one. Thank you. So look at all the different words you can put in there. Thank you. Oh my stars. Look at that background. Look at that background. That's our new piece it die. Look at that. Let's see if I can find some more hearts right off the bat. There's more in here. We'll have to find them. Oh, here's another one. Here. Oh, here's one. Thank you. Look at that. So these are all going to fit. All of those words will fit in that heart. Look how fun those fireworks are with glitter paper. I love it. Now, remember our new folded corners? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Open it up. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. Here's another one with our fireworks background die. Remember, a lot of you already have that. So now you can add that in the background. Oh, or look at this one. This is the rounded center A2 step-up card. Look at that. Love it. How fun is that? All decorated. Here's another one with the fireworks. I don't know. Firecrackers, fireworks, they're the same thing, right? But look how fun that is. Now, here's another one. I told you I had a lot of samples. I still have a lot more over here. But are you ready for this one? I got to make sure I do this the right way. This also uses the horizontal wave card insert. If you're not familiar with this one, I'm going to knock your socks off. Are you ready? Make sure I'm lined up. Get set. Look at that. What? Look at that work of art. Now, I know you're looking at that saying, oh my goodness, I could never do that. It is so easy. If you know anything about me, you know it's going to be easy or I'm not going to do it. Look at how fun that is. I absolutely love it. Here's another one, making our own background paper with those stencils and stamps. Now let's look at the piece it die, because the piece it die is so fun and so versatile. You're not going to use it just for this stamp set, but look at those 2 samples. Here's another one using that fun piece it die. Those diagonals are so fun. But I don't want you to think for a second that you can only do them vertical, horizontal. Here's a horizontal example. Look at how gorgeous that is with oh, how pretty that heart on the inside, I mean the heart on the outside. Now let's look at, ooh, here's that fun stencil. That's one of the background stencils. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Oh, here's another one using that stencil. What? I know, check that out. Isn't that awesome? So fun. Let's celebrate. That is an explosion. I love it. Here's another one, Fun Firecrackers. Look how gorgeous that is for happy birthday. Here's another one with that piece it die. That piece it die is very versatile. Perfect for your background. I'm sorry, perfect for your pattern paper scraps. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Here's another one. Oh, look at that. Let freedom ring. Isn't that gorgeous? And then we're going to open it up. And here we have that stencil again on the inside. Isn't that beautiful? So fun. And last but certainly not least, perfect for our military. This one says, your commitment to duty is an inspiration to us all. That's using the military thanks stamp set and the big thanks word die with that background piece it die. Isn't it stunning? Stunning. I love it. Now, club members and everyone else, the first 24 hours, these items are on our website or until sold out. They are on flash sale. That means you save more money. Now, if you're a club member, you not only get the flash sale price, you get the club discount as well. So you're saving double duty, plus you're getting club points and all the extra goodies. So go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. If you're not in a club, that's okay. You can purchase at regular price or flash sale price. That's okay. But you're missing out on all the extra goodies, the freebies, the gift certificates, the club points, the extra discounts. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Our clubs start as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a stamp set. Like what? Are you kidding? Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.